Hello and very good evening to my dear students and all the viewers of our channel. Today we are with the top MCQ questions of lesson number 7 for the students of class 8 from history, and name of the lesson is Civilizing the Nation and Educating the Nation. So let's get started. Our first question is, when did William Jones arrive in Calcutta? 1783, 1793, 1787, 1784. And the right answer is 1783. He was appointed as a junior judge in Supreme Court, and he was a linguistic and great scholar of different languages. William Jones was appointed as Dash Supreme Court of Calcutta. Senior judge, barrister, junior judge, none of these. And the right answer is junior judge. Question number 3. Which of these languages William Jones knew? Persian, Latin, Greek, all of these. And the right answer is all of these. He knew a number of languages and he has a great passion to know about languages. When did Hindu College established in Banaras? 1791, 1786, 1796, 1795. And the right answer is 1791. Question number 5. Identify the person given in the image. Options are William Jones, Henry Thomas Colebrook, William Carey, William Adam. And the right answer is Henry Thomas Colebrook. He was one of the founder of Asiatic Society of Bengal. Question number 6. Who saw India as uncivilized country that needed to be civilized? But a poor comment was passed by James Mill, Thomas Macleay, William Jones, all of these. And the right answer is Thomas Macleay. Question number 7. When did English Education Act introduced? 1854, 1840, 1839, 1835. And the right answer is 1835. Identify the person in given image. Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Vipin Chandra Pal, Aurobindo Ghosh. And the right answer is Aurobindo Ghosh. He was a great nationalist and he said in his speech on January 15, 1908, that the goal of national education is to awaken the spirit of nationality among the students and the Indians. Question number 9. A person who can read, write, teach Persian is known as Munshi, linguistic, orientalistic, all of these. And you have to pick one of the right answer, that is Munshi. Which education dispatch was sent to Governor General in India in 1854? Wood's dispatch, Mill's dispatch, Maclay's dispatch, or none of these? And correct answer is Wood's dispatch, which was prepared by Charles Wood, and it was sent to India in 1854. Question number 11. Who founded Shantiniketan in 1901? Mahatma Gandhi, British government, Rabindranath Tagore, William Jones. And you have to choose one of the right answer, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Which one is matched wrongly? Shirampur College, Bombay, Shantiniketan, Calcutta, Sabarmati Ashram, Ahmedabad, Victoria Memorial, Calcutta. And the right answer and mismatched one is Shirampur College is not established in Bombay, it is established in Calcutta. Who was William Adam? A British official, a Scottish missionary, a junior judge, none of these. And the right answer is a Scottish missionary who felt that Indian language ought to be medium of teaching. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, Lord Macleay. And the right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 15. A single shelf of good European libraries worth the whole native literature of India and Arabia. Who passed this poor comment? William Carey, Thomas Bibbington, Maclay, Charles Good, all of these. And the right answer is Thomas Bibbington Maclay. Question number 16. In 1857, university was being set up at Calcutta, Madras, Bombay, all of these. And the right answer is all of these. In 1857, as the revolt began in Meerut and Delhi, so universities were set up in Calcutta, Madras, and Bombay. Identify the university in the given images. This scene belongs to the university in 19th century. Delhi University, Bombay University, Calcutta University, all of these. And the right answer is Bombay University. Name the missionary who helped in establishing the Sherampore mission. William Beck, William Shakespeare, William Carey, all of these. And the right answer is William Carey. William Adam found that total number of children being taught in these pathshalas were over 20 lakh, 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs, none of these. It was a period when William Adam moved in Bengal and Bihar. And the right answer is 20 lakhs. After 1854, company decided to improve the system of dash education. Vernacular, primary, higher, none of these. And the right answer is vernacular, and that's why they emphasized on the establishment of pathshalas, which were regularly visited by pandits. Who laid emphasis on national education for awakening the national spirit in his speech in 15th January 1908 in Bombay? Pandit Nehru, Sir Aurobindo Ghosh, Mahatma Gandhi, all of these. And the right answer is Shri Aurobindo Ghosh, which was a great nationalist, and he wanted that a national education should be used as a weapon for awakening the national spirits among students. English education has enslaved us are the words of Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Pandit Nehru, Sardar Patel. And the right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Meaning of Shanti Niketan. Abode of heaven, abode of gods, abode of peace, none of these. And the right answer is abode of peace. Actually, this type of school was established by Rabindranath Tagore 100 kilometers away from Calcutta in rural settings. He thought that the natural education can be attained only into a natural environment. This was the period when national awakening and the expansion of education was done both. So I hope you must have enjoyed the test. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.